Welcome to YouTube. Today, we dive into one of the most iconic names in automotive history, a car that has defined performance, precision, and prestige for over 6 decades. Yes, we're talking about the all-new 2026 Porsche 911, a car that doesn't follow trends. It sets them asterisk at first glance. The 2026 911 maintains that unmistakable silhouette. Porsche knows not to mess with perfection, and this shape, this sleek, rear-engine design continues to evolve without losing its soul. But look closer, and you'll notice the modern refinements. The front fascia is sharper, more aggressive, with reworked air intakes that both improve aerodynamics and give the car an even more determined look. The LED matrix headlights are now slimmer, seamlessly integrated into the sculpted hood design, and they guide the car with laser-like precision at night. Asterisk around back. The continuous light bar remains, a staple of recent 911 generations, but with refined internal graphics and a slightly wider stance. The rear diffuser is redesigned for improved downforce, and active aero now plays an even bigger role. Everything is designed not just to look stunning, but to serve performance. Asterisk. Underneath that beautiful shell is where the magic really lives. For 2026, Porsche has refined their lineup of turbocharged flat-six engines. The Carrera and Carrera S variants come with updated internals, revised turbo geometry, and improved thermal efficiency. The result? Even more power. Expect up to 490 horsepower in the Carrera S and smoother, more linear torque delivery. The engine sings its familiar mechanical symphony as it climbs the revs, delivering performance that is intoxicating yet usable. Asterisk, the 911 Turbo and Turbo S, of course, push things even further. Now producing well over 650 horsepower, the 2026 Turbo S rockets from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds, thanks in part to Porsche's updated all-wheel drive system and retuned 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or launching from a dead stop, the control is absolute, the connection immediate. Asterisk for purists. Porsche hasn't forgotten you. The 202 6911 G3 and GT3 touring models retain their naturally aspirated hearts, with the 4.0-liter flat-six now tuned for even sharper throttle response. Redline, 9,000 revolutions per minute, gearbox, still available with a 6-speed manual. In a world going electric, Porsche is still giving enthusiasts what they crave, a raw, emotional connection to the road. Asterisk inside. The cabin of the 202 6911 is a lesson in balance, where luxury meets function and tradition meets innovation. A fully digital curved display replaces most analog gauges, yet the classic central tachometer remains, paying homage to the 911's heritage. The infotainment system is more intuitive, faster, and now supports over-the-air updates and advanced assisted navigation. Materials are top-notch, from leather to Alcantara, from aluminum to carbon fiber. Everything feels handcrafted. Designed with purpose, asterisk new driver assistance systems make their way into the 2026 model as well. Lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and semi-autonomous parking help with daily usability. But rest assured, this is still a driver's car through and through. Porsche hasn't dulled the blade. They've simply added Polish. Asterisk one of the most exciting updates is the debut of the 911 Hybrid, a subtle yet powerful step into electrification. Don't expect a plug. This is a performance hybrid, inspired by Porsche's racing technology. The system adds low-end torque, fills in the turbo lag gap, and improves acceleration. It's clever, it's invisible, and it's still a 911 in every sense. Asterisk, whether you choose the base Carrera, the GTS, the hardcore GT3 RS, or the track-destroying Turbo S. Every version of the 202 6911 feels meticulously engineered. It's not just about numbers, it's about sensation. Steering feedback is alive. The chassis is composed. The brakes are relentless. Every component feels like it was made just for you. Asterisk in a world moving rapidly toward electrification. The Porsche 911 continues to stand as a defiant, elegant, performance-driven masterpiece. It's not about resisting the future, it's about evolving into it without forgetting who you are. And that's what makes the 2026 Porsche 911 so special. Asterisk. So whether you're a lifelong fan or just starting to appreciate what the 911 represents, the 2026 model reminds us that icons don't fade, they refine. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. One that gets better with time. Asterisk. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars. See you in the next one.